Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the cable's rating and connector so you match devices safely. Once done, inspect the coil visually and with your fingers to remove kinks. Coils tolerate pulling but not sharp bends. Make the first connection gently. Align pins or plugs, seat fully, and listen or feel for the click. You do this to ensure proper contact and prevent intermittent signals. Finally, place devices so the coil rests slackly within its natural stretch range to avoid constant tension. Now manage the cable length and routing for reliable use. You should stretch the coil only to the functional length required. Avoid exceeding about 1 1/2 times its relaxed state to prevent plastic memory loss. Next, secure any excess with soft ties or clips, forming gentle loops rather than tight wraps. This preserves elasticity. Also route the cable clear of heat, sharp edges, and heavy electromagnetic interference, because those factors degrade insulation and signal integrity. To finish, disconnect properly. Always grip the connector housing and not the coiled cable to avoid strain. Store the cable in its relaxed state, coiled naturally, away from sunlight. If you encounter intermittent audio or data loss, make a quick continuity test with a multimeter. Check connectors for corrosion and cables for visible insulation damage. If problems persist despite cleaning contacts and reseating, replace the cable. Continued use of a compromised coil risks device damage or fire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.